Art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan, and guess what? Today we are going to paint another acrylic scenery painting which is going to be very beautiful. So let's get started with this video. First of all, let me take colors out of my palette. I am going to use acrylic paints today. After taking the colors out, now let me mix blue paint with the white one. I have taken both of these shades in a relatively good quantity to other shades because I need these more. Now I am going to mix small amount of red in white paint to make another shade, and now our palette is ready. I am going to use this flat brush to apply paint on the background. Firstly, I am starting with dark blue and magenta shade. I am applying these randomly, and then I shifted to light blue shade, and guys, blending is key here. We need to blend all the shades well for the final result. For getting blended effect of these shades, we need to maintain the direction of brush strokes. We need to apply brush strokes in the way I am doing, from one end to the another end straight. I am leaving small portion of canvas unpainted where I am going to paint later, and this background is done now. Now I am going to start painting mountains using knife. Starting with mix up of red and white paint, I am starting to paint all the peaks. We are painting a lot of mountains today, so all the peaks I am painting using this shade, which we have mixed using white and red. Now I am applying white paint on mountain peaks directly. Guys, painting mountains with knife is very easy because all the strokes already looks like solid rocks. You don't need to put much efforts in it. So, knives are the best option to paint mountains in both acrylic and oil paintings. We prefer painting knives also because these knives provide us advantage to paint more layers of thick paint on previous ones, and if somewhere we went wrong, we can scratch the paint away to start again. This is the biggest advantage that we get with painting knives. It's amazing. Now I am applying some strokes of blue paint on the mountains randomly, and our mountains are going to be completed. As I'm done with the mountains, now I am going to paint some greenery on this leftover front. Starting with dark green background, here I am mixing various shades of green family with blue to get darkest shades of green. Initially when I started painting plants, I started with knife and applied few strokes because I started these very close to the mountains where there were very thick layers of paint. So this worked there well, but soon I realized that I need to use brush for this. So I switched to brush. Using brush, I started painting bushes and plants using blue initially. I am using blue directly. This painting is having a lot of blue in it because I am painting everything with blue. And guys, as you know, blue is my favorite color, so I am enjoying this painting. This scenery is really looking cool. I don't know what it is looking to you, but it's looking amazing to me. It's beautiful. Along with blue, I used black on some places, as you can see, some dark areas. So in this painting, it's all about gradient. We need to apply same shades but with different tints or their shades. Now for the second layer, I am going to apply brush strokes of lighter shades everywhere. As we know the rule, firstly we need to paint with the darkest shade, then we have to move to the lighter one, then the lightest one. So firstly I am going to apply some layers with light green and then of yellow and white on the top of these. After this I am going to paint few grass like leaves and very small flower plants in front of these. This is really easy, guys. I am following the same technique, but for painting this grass like leaves I used round brush, but for others I used flat brush. You know, guys, I really love acrylic and oil paintings because there are no mistakes in these paintings. Everything is just adds on to your experience, and you can easily remove your mistakes and start again. This is the best part, which we need to learn in our lives also, because it's never too late to start again, right? Now I'm going to paint some flowers of orange shade, also going to use white in it, but not going to mix orange in the white. Just without mixing we are going to apply these shades. Then I am going to paint some more flowers using pink shade and some small flowers using yellow shade, and I am going to fill all these plants completely with flowers. As I'm done with the flowers, but this painting is looking little imbalanced to me because this flower portion is so heavy and the sky portion is like, the lighter portion. I really want to add some balance in my painting, so I am going to paint few clouds in the sky using white, grey and red shades. I am painting the clouds just to add balance in my painting. You can skip this step or you can alter this painting as per your requirements. This is perfectly alright. Now as I am done with the clouds, my painting is now complete. I am going to remove the tapes for the final result. I hope this will look amazing after that. So guys, my painting is now ready. Have a look on this painting. This painting is really looking stunning. Guys, if you like this painting, then press the like button and tell me in comment section what kind of art videos you want next. If you like scenery paintings, then I'll paint more sceneries for you. If you like another kind of paintings, then tell me in comment section. I'll paint those for you. Nowadays, I'm not painting on framed canvases because my room is completely filled with framed canvases and there is no space left in my room. So nowadays I paint on this kind of loose canvases and then I roll these up and put them in the box. This is working for me. If you want more art videos from my side, then you need to subscribe my channel. So subscribe my channel now and press the bell icon to get more art videos from my side. I'll meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing, and please subscribe kar lo. Bye.